Hi folks, we're back. We're going to continue on with this mobile cart that we worked on in the last video. I'm continuing on. So I've got the inside, the plan is pretty much done here. You're going to have a wine cooler here, a little cooktop, sink, microwave oven, and then we're going to have a cash register out here. So we were going to look at the roof here. So I'm looking at my roof and going to go with these trusses. They're lightweight, and that's just a simple beam system here on my roof. Now, I like that size, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to add a fascia to cover that up. So I'm going to go to my architecture tab, go to roof, pull down, and I'm going to look at fascia. So there's my fascia, and I can just select the line there, and there's the fascia. Now let's have a look. Okay, now that doesn't look good. We want to try to cover that up, so we're going to extend our fascia probably with another size. So to do that, you could just simply select it and edit the type. And we have several types here. And there you go with the one I want, the 1x18. Or another way you can do this, cancel this for a minute. You can go over here into your profiles here. Yeah, here they go, fascia profiles. See, profiles, fascia, and then you can select, select one of these guys and edit the type properties here, and change and make your changes there. So what I already did my 18-inch. So I could just simply go here and select this. I want to edit this type here, the type properties. And I'm going to take the, where is it? Okay, cancel that, my bad. I'm going to go here and select this guy. Okay. Let me see if I got it here. I'll just edit type here. Oh, there you are. So select this, and I'll pick the 18-inch. And first of all, what you really always should do is duplicate these guys. So I'm going to duplicate this, and I'm going to go 1x18 or 1x18-inch. Okay. And then I want to add a material here. I'm going to do like the redwood, I think. Maybe cherry or something like that. Let me see if I can find it in here. Well, let's take that one for now. No, I don't want that one. Yeah, I like that one. That color is pretty good. I'm going to appearance. Use rendered appearance. Yeah, I like that. And I'm going to go okay for that one. Okay. So there we go. There's our fascias. Let me put one over here. Let's see what this looks like realistically. Come on. Okay. Not showing it what I'm looking for. But we can fix that. Go back to consistent colors here. I'm going to drop my fascia right here. There and there. So now that covers up our ceiling, our roof. Okay, now what I need here is there's some other stuff I got going over here. Probably been another video. Actually, go back to level 1 here just to get that out of the way. I want to confuse anybody. Okay, move these guys way over here. Okay. Now we're back here. So now we've got our plan view all done, and we've got our roof on here. So let's go back to the 3D view and figure out what's going on with my material here. So I'm going to edit this type here. Oh, no wonder I don't have a material here. So it's got to be done here. Go to Material. Let's go with woods. This one, or this might be just some kind of cover, you know what I mean? It's this cherry. That's not cherry though. Okay. So I'm gonna go with these analytical. This right here, this color for now. That's good. Graphics, identity. I'm gonna uncheck that and see what happens here. Apply. Okay. Okay. There we go. That's what I want. And we'll do this side as well. Us might be able to just match these, I think. Nope. Nope. Wrong one, sorry. That guy. There we go. Okay, so now what happens is this is a mobile cart. Let me do the roof too. If I think, can I do this? Well, we really don't care what that color is. That's going to be some type of covering or sheeting. But now around these walls, so let's go down to our level 1. Now, what's got to happen here? I'm going to raise this up because it's mobile. Remember? So I'm going to select one of these. I'm going to actually, let's do the bottom. Let's do the flooring type, the wall finish first. So to do the wall finish, I'm going to just go here to Architecture tab. I'm going to take a generic wall. Just a generic 5-inch. And I'm going to place one right there. And then I'm going to edit this type here. I'm going to duplicate it. I'm going to call this my base wall. Base wall exterior. I'm going to go OK. And then I'm going to edit this guy. I don't need it 5 inches. Let's just make it an inch. That's all we need is 1 inch maybe. Because this is going to be lightweight. Or maybe 2 inches, but I'm going to go with 1. And then I'm going to give it a material. And I'm going to go with that same one, the analytical panels or that red color. And go OK here. I'm going to go OK. Apply. OK. So there's my wall now. So I'm going to take this guy. I probably need to flip this section here and see what's going on here. I can really see. Okay, is that it? Nope. Oh, there it is. So this wall is only going to have to be this height. So I'm going to go, what height is that? From there to there, 210. So I'll select this, and I'm going to go, I'm going to just push it down for now. I'll just push that down right to there. And I want to align this to this. Probably an easy way to do this, but I'm doing it this way. And I might push this up a little bit more and get this size right there. Let's go into my 3D view, see what we got. There we go. So that's going to be like a wall panel there. And then I could take it and just drag it across, like so. Same here. Go into my plan view. This is my wall at. Do I see it? Okay, let me do this in color. Because this is colors. Oh, I'm on a roof. No wonder. Sorry. There we go. So now I'm going to just take my wall again and place it. Well, now let's the properties here. I got -7.1 top offset. So I'll just go in here and place this wall again from the top, and I'm going to, my top offset is 7.1 -7.1. Let me see, check that again. Sorry. Actually, I can just do this, cheat a little bit. Control C. Okay. Now go do a wall again. Paste, Control V, and just go drop her in right. Uh-oh. Wrong wall. Cancel that. And there was our, uh-oh, there it is, that wall at that height. So we're going to go from here, just take this that way. See, we need to align it to this. Yes, we do. Modify, align here. Let's go to that one. Uh-oh, nope, cancel that. I don't want to do it that bad. So then I'll go to this side, the same wall. Yep, my exterior base wall. So I'll go from here. No, I don't want to go all the way on it. Let's go say about right there. Yep. There. Let's take her all around here to here. And pick up from there to there. So now let's have a look and see what we got here in 3D view. So there you go, folks. That's pretty close to what we had in the image, but yeah, that's what you want to do now. Again, this is not going to be on the ground. So what we need to do from that is, I'm going to just go around here, go into my reference level. This is going to require a little bit of work. I might do it in another video, but what's going to happen, this is all got to be raised up. So let's see if we can do this right quick. Go to level 1. Let me see if I can select. Let me select instance view. Okay, so we got all those, and I'm going to give them an offset. Offset from, I'm gonna say, I'm gonna bring these up. Let's say 3 inches. Be on the safe side. You know those 3. Okay. Now select this one. Select all instances in view. Probably should have, sorry about that. Okay, all those, we bring these up 3 inches. Because it's not going to be on the ground. Let's see what we're looking like in 3D. Or we would probably need an elevation view here. Actually going to grab these now. I can get all those walls. And see what happens here. Okay, so let's finish that one off. Get this done here. So these are at 3 inches. These are at, okay, so I'm going to select this guy here. Those are at 3. Those are at 3. Okay. Alright, this is probably going to sit on the ground. Check these. So I'm right click, select all instances in view. Great. And I'm going to raise these up to 3. Okay, so now these walls that I put in, I'm going to just select one. Tab to it. Okay, I'm going to control and collect the rest of them. Nope, I didn't get them, sorry. Actually, that's what happened there. I'm going to extend these to intersect. This wall and this wall. Those two actually can move in a little bit. I'm not going to worry about that now. So I'm going to click this. I'm going to select these guys. Tab. Let me get them all. Got them. I'm going to move all these up 3 inches. And then underneath you'll get some wheels and things like that. So let's go back into let's go look at this north elevation. Okay, so there you go. See, we're going this off the ground. South elevation. You get some color in here, consistent colors. So yeah, that's what happens here. Now these other things, like this has got to go up as well because it's off the ground. So 3 inches. Okay, folks, well, just wanted to show you this one here. We're going to move on from this, but this is a crate, a cart, a mobile cart. This is the one we saw in the image. So thank you all for watching. And then, you know, these are broken up. We've got some more stuff to move, like a countertop. So I'm going to go ahead and grab my countertop. And I'm going to select all. And these are going up 3 inches from the host. Okay, and then this has got to go up 3 inches, the top offset. But hey guys, let me undo that. Wait a minute, see if we can fix this wall here. Up top. So we're gonna add. You can just drag it up. Actually. And what's at the top right now is 610 and a half. So grab this one. Actually tab them all, and then go 610 and a half. Actually, do this again. You cheat. Minus 610. Control C. Okay, select them all. And paste. And then Control V. What happened here? Control V. Apply. Okay. So there you go, folks. Our mobile cart. You move it around, put food in here, partially put together, using the families from River City Biz. So hey guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my video. I seem like videos like this all the time. And everybody, please be safe out there. Lots going on as far as I know. But yeah. Please join it, subscribe to the channel and make requests, or this has actually got to go up 3 inches too. 3. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Everybody be safe and bye.